everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this poker cards motif. You can make many crafts with it. Also, you can make this bag. You can find the tutorial, all of these grannies and tutorial of this bag in my playlist. In this video, we will make these diamonds card together. Let's get started. Start with magic ring, wrap yarn around your 2 fingers, insert your hook under one side of the X, then over and grab a yarn and make a slip knot. This is our magic ring. Then make 3 chains and 2 double crochet into the magic ring. Wrap a yarn around your hook. Insert your hook into the magic ring, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops. This is how we make double crochet. Then make 2 chains and again make 3 double crochet into the magic ring. Two and 3. Again make 2 chains and 3 double crochet into the magic ring. Two chains and 3 double crochet into the magic ring. Close the hole in the middle. Make 2 chains and join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the first. Move to the next stitch by the slip stitch and then make 3 chains and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Actually, we must make 3 double crochet into the 2nd stitch, 2 chains, and again make 3 double crochet into the 2nd stitch. Then make 1 double crochet into the chain 2 space and again make 3 double crochet into the 2nd stitch of the next clusters of double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet. All of these stitches must be created in the 2nd stitch. Then make 1 double crochet into the chain 2 space between clusters of double crochet and then make 3 double crochet into the 2nd stitch, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. 1 double crochet into the chain 2 space and again 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet into the next 2nd stitch of clusters double crochet. Make 1 double crochet into the chain 2 space and then join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain of first. Bring the yarn out, cut the yarn, fasten off and hide the tail of the yarn by the needle. You can do this with any way you like. Insert your needle under the 2nd stitch. Again, insert your needle into the 1st stitch and here is our ending of row. Then hide the tail of the yarn between the stitches. Don't push to hold the needle. Also hide the tail of the yarn of the magic ring and cut it. Then bring your next color. We want to turn the diamonds to the rectangle shape. Bring your hook of the back into the 2 stitches, back loop of the 2 stitches like this, and make a slip knot, and then make 1 chain and into the back loop of the 1 double crochet, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet, make 1 chain, make a single crochet into the back loops of 2 stitches here of the 2 chain space, and then make 1 chain again into the back loop of the 1 double crochet that we made in the 2 chain space in the previous row. We must make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet, then make 1 chain, 1 single crochet into the back loops of 2 stitches of the 2 chain space, and make 1 chain into the back loop of the 1 double crochet, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, make 1 chain, again 1 single crochet of the back loops of chains that we made in 2 chain space of the corner of diamonds, and then make 1 chain, and in the back loop of the 1 double crochet that we made in the chain 2 space of previous row, we must make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet, then make 1 chain and join with the slip stitch to the first of the row. Make 3 chains and 1 double crochet into the chain space and 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until you receive to the chain 2 space of corner. Make 2 double crochet into the chain space, 2 chain, again 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space, then make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches, even chain space, this one chain space here, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet into the single crochet stitch, and again 1 single crochet into the chain 1 stitches, and then 1 single crochet into the each next stitches until you receive to the corner space. In the chain 2 space of corner, make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Do this diagram until the end of the row. If you are absolute beginner in crochet or brand new, please check out my short videos. You can find many useful videos in there. Also, I make a playlist of them in my channel by the name The Beginner's Stitches. You can find them there. I had taught you many stitches that you must know for the crochet. And if you are new in my channel, I would be grateful and will be happy that you subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please share it to your friends and subscribe my channel. That would be helpful. The last corner, 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Join with the slip stitch to the end, cut the yarn and fasten off. I'll do it by needle most of the time. This is my favorite way to ending the rows because there's no sign of the tail of the yarns in the end of the rows. Then I always hide the tail of the yarn between the stitches, then cut it. Here is my diamonds card. In the end, please check your stitches of each side of the square. You must have equal stitches in each side of it, okay? And also you can make a few more row if you want. And done. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you like it, please let me know in comment below. I hope you have fun with these cards games, and I'll see you next time. Happy crocheting. Goodbye.